Hoo, 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 hoo. Hoo, 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 hoo. There was a poor but good little girl who lived alone with her mother. They no longer had anything to eat. So the little girl went into the forest. She met an old woman, and the old woman knew of the girl's sorrow. The old woman presented her with a little pot, which, when she said, "Cook, little pot, cook, little pot, cook, little pot," it would cook good sweet porridge. And when she said, "Stop, little pot, stop, little pot, stop, little pot," it stopped cooking. The little girl took the pot home to her mother. And now they were freed from their poverty and hunger. They ate sweet porridge as often as they chose. One time, when the girl had gone out, her mother said, "Cook, little pot, cook, little pot, cook, little pot," and it cooked. The mother ate until she was full, and then she wanted the pot to stop cooking, but she did not know the word. So it went on cooking, and the porridge rose over the edge, and it still cooked on until the kitchen and whole house were full. And then the next house, and then the whole street, just as if it wanted to satisfy the hunger of the whole world. It was terrible, and no one knew how to stop it. At last, when only one single house remained, the little girl came home, and she just said, "Stop, little pot, stop, little pot, stop, little pot," and it stopped cooking. And anyone who wished to return to the town, they had to eat his way back. Hoo, hoo,